Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile for free. So, let's get started. First, log into your LinkedIn account. We'll begin by adding a banner image. I've created one using Canva, which we can upload here. Choose a banner that reflects your industry, keep it visually clean, and avoid excessive text. It should clearly highlight your name, your professional role, and your contact details. Next, add a profile picture. Make sure to use a high-quality, professional photo of yourself. Once that's set, we can update your contact details, including your email, phone number, address, and website URL. Don't forget to tap Save. Now, click on Add Section. This is where we can list skills, certifications, and education. I'm also updating the About section. This is your space to describe yourself in a few words. Keep it concise and use relevant keywords such as job titles, key achievements, and core skills so that recruiters can find you easily. I am also updating my headline, current position, and skills. Next, you can add your educational qualifications. You can always edit your contact info from here and save the changes. To make your profile more interactive, use the Featured section to add posts, articles, or links. Here, I'm adding some sample certificates. Which will now be visible to everyone visiting my page. Next, I'll make some edits to my Experience section. From here, you can also update your job preferences to let recruiters know you're looking. Finally, you can build your network, navigate to the Jobs tab to search for openings, here, you can start sharing your own content by posting on your page. And that is how you optimize your LinkedIn profile.